Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Deblina. Hope you all are doing good. I guess you guys might be wondering why today I'm speaking in English instead of German and why this logo is in the screen. Right? This is because, as I have told you guys in my last video, that I'm gonna bring videos on various other topics that might be helpful for you, for your future. That's why I'm here today to speak with you guys about a golden opportunity that how you can fulfill your dreams just by investing your time and your brain and get a golden opportunity to achieve your goals. Yes, so today I'm gonna discuss with you guys about Amway. But why only Amway, right? So let's discuss about it in details. But before we start, I would request you guys that if you are new to my channel and had not yet subscribed to it, then please do subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you get notified each time something new is uploaded. So let's begin. So what is Amway? Let me give you a quick overview about it. It is one of the largest direct selling companies of the world. Started its operation in 1959, present in more than 100 plus countries and territories of the world. According to 2019 studies, its global turnover in excess of $8.8 billion. It has over 450 unique products in 6 different categories. Amway owns over 6,400 acres in certified organic farmland in California, Brazil, Mexico, and Washington. Has a team of 500 plus scientists and over 800 patents granted and 217 pipeline. Had paid a bonus of excess $61.3 billion, which is about 4.3 lakh crores in INR. Holds the EPA Environmental Protection Award conferred by the United Nations Program on UNEP in June 1989. As per Forbes, April 2020, Amway ranked amongst the 44th as the largest privately held corporation in America. You can Google it for more info. Why should one choose Amway over any other conventional business? Let's see why. While opening any other business, the following things must be taken in account, such as number 1 is huge capital. That is, in order to start any business, you require quite a good amount of money to invest in it. The second thing required is space, so that you can open your own shop or showroom, something like that. Third thing is risk. Like if you fail, then what will happen? Then you'll go into loss, right? Then the fourth thing is expertization. If you are not expert in that particular business or that particular field, then you might face the loss. Then comes the competition. Suppose like you open a shop in your locality. That's a shop. That's a shop for selling the goods which are also sold by another shop which is also in your locality. Suppose if you want to grow, like if your shop grows, then definitely the shop of that other person will go down. Like if you win, the other one will lose, and if you lose, the other one will win. So in other business, there's a thing called competition. Also, when you open a business, start a business, maybe big or small, you need to have some employees. So, and you need to again pay them also. So, it's again when you are investing. Also, you may face some legal issues, taxation problem, etc., etc. Altogether, that means a lot of headache, right? But in case of Amway, the scene is completely different because you don't need to worry about anything, literally anything. Why? See, number 1, you don't need to invest a huge capital. You just need to buy the products of your daily usage, maybe the home care products or the personal care products. But that I don't consider as an investment, because previously also you used to buy those things. You do the same now, and you will be doing that in future also. What are you doing is just changing your store from where you used to buy the products. You previously used to buy from any other local market. Now you'll buy the same things from the Amway store. So it's not just investing a huge amount, but buying the same products from a different store. The second difference is space. If you talk about it here you don't need any huge space to build a showroom or something like that. It's just a little space you require in your home to keep the products. But this is also I consider as a replacement of the older ones. Like in your like previously there was a particular space allotted for you to keep your toothbrush and toothpastes in your home, right? Similarly, you'll do the same thing. You'll utilize that particular space to keep your new toothbrush and toothpaste, which is of Amway, which you are buying from Amway. So there is no extra space required. The similar goes for the other products too. Now, if you're talking about risk, then I would tell you that there's nothing to lose because you are not investing anything extra. You are just using the products and recommending others to do the same. That's it. And competition. Here in Amway, there's no such story of competition. If you want to grow, you have to help the people in your surroundings to grow with you too. Otherwise, you can't. That's why it's win-win situation in Amway. If you help others winning, you will win too. Also in Amway, you don't need to worry about employees, but yes, you need to build your team slowly but gradually. First, you learn to use the products by yourself, use them, recommend them to others. This way, you can build your team. Also, there is no worries about any legal issue, and you can do the business in your free time. It's time flexible, and that's the best thing which I feel like. Now, if you are thinking that how to do the business that you have no idea about it, then I'll tell you that it's not a point to worry about. Ask why? This is because you'll get the proper guidance and training from your uplines. They'll teach you everything, starting from how to talk to others to how to earn from this business. Therefore, I think that this business not only fills your pocket but also helps an overall development of your personality. Keeping all these things aside, let's talk about the most important difference between Amway and others. So, in any other conventional business, a certain product from the manufacturer moves to the distributor, then to the wholesaler, then to the retailer, and then to the customer. In such a long chain, the price of the product increases a lot. For example, if a product costs, say 40 rupees, but it reaches to the customer at rupees 100. Do you know why? Because in between the manufacturer and customer there are 3 different steps, that is distributor, wholesaler and retailer. When the product passes from wholesaler, distributor and retailer, the price increases, say suppose by 20 rupees. When each increases by 20, therefore in all it's 60 rupees. So the customer needs to pay 60 rupees more than the actual manufacturing price. But in case of Amway cuts down all these expenses. That is, a product directly reaches the customer from the manufacturer to the customer, or from the manufacturer to the distributor. Distributor means the ABOs, or the one who is doing the business. From the company, not only the ABOs, also the customers can buy directly. When the customers are buying directly from the manufacturer, it's going to the customers. And when it's going to the distributors, then the company, that is Amway, pays that 60 rupees to the distributors, which was in case of other businesses distributed among distributors, wholesalers and retailers. Here company gives that 60 rupees to the distributors. If the customer buys the product from the manufacturer, that is the company, then the customer, that is the preferred customer, we say it is PC, the preferred customer can buy the product in DAP, that is the price in which the distributor cannot buy from the manufacturer. The same price the customers are also getting from the manufacturer. But the only difference between the customers and the distributors are, the distributors are getting that 60 rupee that I was explaining in their bank account, but the customers are not getting that 60 rupees in their bank account. They are only getting the discount when they are buying, like they are buying the product in DAP instead of MRP. Hope you understood. So have you ever heard of any company previously that gives you money just because you're buying a product from them? No, right? But Amway does, and that's one of the reasons why Amway is unique. Now I don't want to drag the video too long, it's already late, but before ending, I just want to give you a glimpse of wonderful products that Amway has. Amway has its amazing products in all fields like fields of nutrition and wellness, beauty products, home care, personal care, and customer durable. I'll be soon be here with the new video describing all the products of Amway step by step, giving a demo of each. So till then, bye. But if you have, if you have liked the video, then do like, share, and subscribe. Also, if you have any kind of query or if you want to know more about this Amway, you can comment down in the comment section. Also, can ping me up in Instagram. I'm putting my Insta ID there in the description box. So, bye.